Hey everybody, I'm Ross. This is Jamie and Nacho from Tait Real Estate and Realty Executive Saskatoon. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making today, Jamie?
Today we're making the Tequila-Tini. We thought we'd bring Nacho in when we're doing tequila.
Yes. Okay, Nacho's going down.
So to make this drink, pretty simple. It's like a vodka martini, but we're gonna use triple sec instead of vermouth. So we're gonna do 1 ounce. This is for 2 drinks. We're gonna do 1 ounce of triple sec.
Okay. And then the tequila, this is a reposado. So tequilas basically come in 3 different ages. Blanco, which is the first pour, which is clear. And then the reposado, you might be able to see it. It's slightly ambered, just barely. And then the añejo, which is the darker. Tequila, like a lot of spirits, rum especially, is aged in oak barrels. And we probably need a strainer there eventually too. Reposado is, for the most part, considered to be one of the best sipping or tequilas. Some of the añejos are a little bit smoky, and not everyone likes that flavor. And the blancos are the first pour, so they're can be a little bit of a bite to them. And so the reposado is usually considered to be the smoothest, some of the smoothest. And so that's why in a martini or a Tequila-Tini, like this one, it would be preferred. And this one I think you guys got when you were your last trip.
Got that one when we were in Mexico when you could travel.
Actually,
when traveling was a thing. So it'll take us back.
Okay. All right, the Tequila-Tini.
Tequila-Tini, cheers.
Give it a shot. Yeah, it's good. I like tequila, so I like this. And the triple sec adds a little bit of sweetness and kind of rounds it out a little bit. So that's a good alternative. If you're not really a vodka person or a gin person, and yet you still kind of wanted to
have a martini style drink,
this would be a good one to go with because it does have sort of all the same.
That's a really good tequila too.
Yeah. Cheers, everyone.
Try it out.
The
Cheers.
Tequila-Tini.